How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is my Captivity Caftan outfit of the day. And this is the last of the ones that I had folded up, stashed away. So I've had this a little while. So I said, and I didn't wear it because even though it's an animal print, I like color. Ain't got no color in it, so I decided to put it on today. Okay, I got on it's called a Michelle wig by Italicious. It's by the Nigerians, the Italicious company. And this is Michelle. It's a hand-braided wig. And I have on my Captivity Caftan. Got all kind of print on it. But it's animal print, so I'm getting my pose on. Is that moving? Yeah. And this one comes in one size, fits most. So it fits me. So it'll fit a lot of people. And I'm 5'9½", so it goes on the lower part of my calf. And if you're short, it'll go to your ankles. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Stay safe. Bye.